The federal government says it's committed to ensuring good child nutrition indices in Nigeria by building the capacities of healthcare workers at both federal and grassroots levels. Project coordinator of the Accelerating Nutrition Results in Nigeria project, Khadijat Alarakbe, spoke in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital.
The Maternal Infant Young Child Nutrition Initiative, launched by the federal government, aims to mitigate the impact of malnutrition on children. Alarmingly, approximately 6 million children under 5 in Nigeria, representing 37%, suffer from stunting, a sign of chronic malnutrition. To address this issue, the federal government, through the Ministry of Health, has concluded a capacity-building program for 684 grassroots health workers in Oyo State.
We have batch A and B, so we've completed the training for the 2 batches. So the 2 batches comprises of 684 health workers. And we also added state supervisors, directors, permanent secretaries, honorable commissioners for budget and planning, Minister of Health were invited.
Like I said, it is for the gospel of my sin to be preached all over, both in mosques, in churches, anywhere. But people, our mothers, will now see the difference. So we have children that are well nourished.
One major cause of child malnutrition is poor breastfeeding practices. In Nigeria, only 17% of mothers exclusively breastfeed their children for 6 months. To combat these, participants here received training on educating nursing mothers about the importance of exclusive breastfeeding to reduce child mortality rates.
Trainees, we go back home and train people in their work environments and also in their community, because we know that primary healthcare workers are closer to the people in the community. And if they don't have the right education, they won't be able to give it. But now they will go home to say that, okay, this is what you should do. This child is not breastfeeding, this is how to place the child to breast.
From conception to when the baby is 2 years, the calculation goes like this. The 2 years, you multiply 365 times 2, 9 months. If you want to calculate 9 months times 30 days, so add it together, it is equivalent to 100 days.
The initiative, which is sponsored by the World Bank's Accelerating Nutrition Results in Nigeria project, aims to promote maternal nutrition and increase the adoption of optimal infant and young child feeding practices in Nigeria. Olaide Oyewole, TVC News, Ibadan.